नमस्कार, मैं अशोक व्यास, विजन ऑफ एशिया वॉइस ऑफ कम्युनिटी में आपका स्वागत है और 7वें अंतर्राष्ट्रीय योग दिवस की भी आपको बधाइयाँ। आज के विजन ऑफ एशिया के इस अंक में हम प्रारंभ करेंगे उस गीत की झलक से जो कई चर्चित प्रसिद्ध कलाकारों ने योग को समर्पित इस दिवस के लिए बनाया है। साथ ही अंश उस संबोधन का जिसमें भारत के प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने योग दिवस पर राष्ट्र को संबोधित किया। योग दिवस मनाया गया न्यू जर्सी में भी पूरे उत्साह उल्लास के साथ। कौंसिल जनरल ऑफ इंडिया, FIA और अन्य संगठनों के साथ संयुक्त तत्वावधान में उसकी एक रिपोर्ट आप तक पहुंचाने के अलावा आज के कार्यक्रम में आप देखेंगे झलकियां 34वें पाटोत्सव की श्री गोवर्धन नाथ जी हवेली न्यूयॉर्क से, और साथ ही 4 जुलाई को जो विशेष दिवस है साई भक्तों के लिए, साई मंदिर बाल्डविन की 20वीं, जी हाँ 20वीं एनिवर्सरी मनाई जा रही है। उसके बारे में बताएंगे डॉक्टर नूरी दत्तात्रेय। तो ये सब करेगा आपकी प्रतीक्षा इस छोटे से ब्रेक के बाद। बने रहें हमारे साथ। विजन ऑफ एशिया, अ वॉइस ऑफ द कम्युनिटी में आपका फिर एक बार स्वागत करते हुए आपको लिए चलते हैं उस विशेष गीत की तरफ और भारत के प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी के संबोधन की कुछ झलकियों की तरफ जो संबंधित हैं अंतर्राष्ट्रीय योग दिवस से। और भारत के महत्वपूर्ण कलाकारों ने मिलजुल कर योग अभ्यास के प्रति हम सबको जागरूक करने के लिए एक गीत भी बनाया जिसे कि इस दिवस विशेष रूप से रिलीज किया गया। तो उस गीत की कुछ झलकियां और प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी का संबोधन।
सूर्य तुझे नमस्ते, धरती तुझे नमन, शुक्रिया वायु तेरा,
धन्यवाद गगन,
कोश कोश का अभिनंदन, श्वास श्वास में हो चंदन। विश्व एक परिवार ने
साथियों, भारत के ऋषियों ने हमें सिखाया है व्यायामात लभते स्वास्थ्यम, दीर्घ आयुषम बलम सुखम, आरोग्यम परमम भाग्यम, स्वास्थ्यम सर्वार्थ साधनम। अर्थात योग व्यायाम से हमें अच्छा स्वास्थ्य मिलता है, सामर्थ्य मिलता है और लंबा सुखी जीवन मिलता है। हमारे लिए स्वास्थ्य ही सबसे बड़ा भाग्य है और अच्छा स्वास्थ्य ही सभी सफलताओं का माध्यम है। भारत के ऋषियों ने भारत ने जब भी स्वास्थ्य की बात की है तो इसका मतलब केवल शारीरिक स्वास्थ्य नहीं रहा है। इसलिए योग में फिजिकल हेल्थ के साथ साथ मेंटल हेल्थ पर इतना जोर दिया गया है। जब हम प्राणायाम करते हैं, ध्यान करते हैं, दूसरी यौगिक क्रियाएं करते हैं, तो हम अपनी अंतर चेतना को अनुभव करते हैं। योग से हमें ये अनुभव होता है कि हमारी विचार शक्ति, हमारा आंतरिक सामर्थ्य इतना ज्यादा है कि दुनिया की कोई परेशानी, कोई भी नेगेटिविटी हमें तोड़ नहीं सकती। योग हमें स्ट्रेस से स्ट्रेंथ की ओर और नेगेटिविटी से क्रिएटिविटी का रास्ता दिखाता है। योग हमें अवसाद से उमंग और प्रमाद से प्रसाद तक ले जाता है।
गीत, संगीत, नृत्य सभी कहीं ना कहीं योग के साथ आकर मिल जाते हैं और न्यू जर्सी में काउंसिल जनरल ऑफ इंडिया ने FIA के साथ मिलकर और SRMD योग के साथ संयुक्त तत्वावधान में कई संगठनों को साथ लेकर जो एक विशेष कार्यक्रम का आयोजन योग को समर्पित किया, उसकी कुछ झलक आप तक पहुंचाने वाले हैं, जिसमें जेसान नामक महत्वपूर्ण गायक के अलावा अमेरिकन पब्लिक स्पीकर और एक्टर नीना और साथ ही साथ योग प्रशिक्षक तारा ने इस कार्यक्रम को संचालित किया। तो आइए प्राकृतिक दृश्यों के साथ योग को समर्पित योगाभ्यासियों से मिलें।
My name is Anil Bansal. I'm the president of FIA, and today we celebrated International Yoga Day, which has been authorized by UN for last 7 years. We have an amazing place, Statue of Liberty Park in New Jersey City, and we had a large crowd. And Thara, who is an incredible instructor, gave a show, and everybody loved it. And we are so thankful for India. We are so proud that India has always treated everybody as a family and is giving a gift of yoga, which is incredibly powerful technique, easy technique for everybody to become strong, especially in the COVID times. Your lungs get better. So be proud, be Indian, and we love you all. Thank you.
Mudra. So you're going to interlace your fingers. Gentlemen are going to take their right thumb and place it on top. Ladies are going to take their left thumb and place it on top. And then you're just going to place your interlaced hands in your lap. And this is Ushas Mudras.
Happy International Day of Yoga to all the viewers of ITV Gold. Yoga is to be celebrated today and every day. Yoga is about health, it's about well-being. Bring more of yoga in your lives and be healthy. Make a society that is at peace with itself and in harmony with nature around us. Happy International Day of Yoga to all of you.
All of you who are coming up here to help us celebrate 7th International Yoga Day. Big applause for all of you guys. Thank you so much. We are thankful for our celebrities, Thara Natali ji, she's going to perform the full session with you guys. We have Jay Sean accompanying her, Nina Dawaluri. Of course, you don't want to hear my breaking voice all the time. She's going to take over this whole proceeding soon, and you will hear very sweet voice after me. And we are thankful to Honorable CG Arandir Jaiswal ji, DCG Shatrughan Sinha ji, and I'm really thankful to our Chairman Ankur Vaidya and President Anil Bansal ji for supporting this event wholeheartedly, and all the executive team members who have been putting a lot of work in this to make this day successful. Thank you so much.
Have to stay stuck in negative feelings or in old traumas or past hurts. Every moment, every hour is a choice.
So I'm really excited to introduce to you two of my dear friends, Tara and Jayshawn. I'm going to give you a little bit of background. I know you all know their bios because they're so incredibly talented. But really quickly, if you did not know, I encourage all of you to take out your Spotifys, iTunes, whatever you get your music, and download Jayshawn's new song and single that came out, which is really exciting and such a beautiful celebration of happiness. So be sure to do that right after the session. I think during a time where all of us were looking for encouragement and motivation and just peace and hope, Tara was that person for me. Every day at 7:50 a.m. Eastern, hearing her voice and just her positivity was really, truly inspiring. And so, Tara, thank you for sharing all of that with the world and with all of us. This is my first time being able to actually practice in person with Tara, and I'm so excited that all of us are doing this together and you get to feel her warm spirit and energy. So without further ado, I'd love to introduce Tara and Jayshawn to say a few words.
So very sweet. It was actually such a beautiful, beautiful gift for me over the past year to launch Daily Meds and to have that opportunity in a time that was so difficult to come together with people from all countries all over the world and spread this practice and the importance of finding stillness and finding quiet amidst all the stuff that's always going on in the world. We really have the opportunity to create our own space and create our own create our own peace, and that's what I really love to share. So I'm so happy that I was able to be a part of your quarantine and so many others. Really grateful to be here with my husband today and to share this beautiful practice with you guys. I've been practicing yoga for over 20 years, and it really did truly change my life. So it's my greatest joy to share this practice with others. So happy International Yoga Day, and thank you guys for being here. And thank you to, and happy Father's Day to any of the fathers who are here, right? Yeah. And thank you to FIA for putting this event together and all of the many events that you guys put together, bringing our community together and really celebrating.
Hi guys, it's actually really nice for me to be in the background today. I'm obviously used to being behind the mic and on stage, but it makes me really proud actually of Tara, and this is especially on Father's Day for us to be able to share the gift that she has, because she really truly does have something magical about her. I get to live with her and do this every day, but guess what? I never did yoga until about a year and a half ago. All this time I've been living with one of the best instructors, and I never really did it because I never really knew the benefits of it. I was just like into weight training and going to the gym, and now I absolutely love it, and I hope you guys love it as much as I do. This one's getting impatient, so enjoy guys. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Amit Sanghvi, and I'm associate with SRMD. We have just launched today an initiative called SRMD Yoga, and what better way to celebrate it than to do it with FIA today, and a beautiful day at Liberty State Park. Wanted to wish FIA for giving us this opportunity to do this program with them, and wanted to say to all of you, Happy Father's Day. This is a fantastic day to do this, and we really have enjoyed this 1 hour occasion that we've been able to do the yoga. Thank you so much for the opportunity. Thank you.
Interlace those 10 fingers, press them up towards the sky. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, up and over to the right. Beautiful stretch in your left side body. Breathing in. You've got it. I'm watching you. I'm checking you guys out. Stay there. So I really want you to work on finding length.
आप देख रहे हैं विजन ऑफ एशिया वॉइस ऑफ कम्युनिटी कार्यक्रम ITV गोल्ड पर। ये कार्यक्रम सोम, मंगल, बुध और गुरुवार को शाम 8 बजे आपकी सेवा में पेश करने के साथ साथ रविवार को हमें अवसर मिलता है कि इस पूरे सप्ताह की विशेष रिपोर्ट्स पर आधारित एक साप्ताहिक अंक आपके लिए प्रस्तुत करने का रविवार को सुबह 11 बजे। आपकी सकारात्मक प्रतिक्रियाओं के लिए आपका आभार व्यक्त करते हुए निवेदन हमारे साथ बने रहें। जारी रहेगा कार्यक्रम इस छोटे से ब्रेक के बाद। वैष्णव टेम्पल ऑफ न्यूयॉर्क लेकविल रोड न्यू हाइट पार्क में स्थित है। इसे श्री गोवर्धन नाथ जी की हवेली नाम से भी जाना जाता है और पुष्टि मार्गीय परंपरा में इस हवेली का पुष्टि भक्तों के लिए, श्री कृष्ण के भक्तों के लिए बड़ा महत्व है और महत्वपूर्ण बात ये थी इस वीकेंड को कि इस मंदिर के अस्तित्व में आए हुए 34 बरस पूरे हुए, जिसे कि मंदिर का पाटोत्सव कहा जाता है। इस अवसर पर जूम पर भारत से संबोधित करने वाले जहां श्री पुंडरीक जी गोस्वामी थे और 108 श्री ब्रजराज कुमार महोदया श्री थे, उसके बाद जो 34वें पाटोत्सव के निमित्त नौका के अलंकरण के साथ में जो दर्शन हुए, उसकी कुछ झलक हम आप तक पहुंचा रहे हैं वैष्णव टेम्पल ऑफ न्यूयॉर्क से। और आइए चलते चलते अब बात करें 4 जुलाई को होने वाले एक आध्यात्मिक धार्मिक उत्सव की भी। निश्चित रूप से 4 जुलाई हम सब के लिए महत्वपूर्ण है। अमेरिका के इस स्वतंत्र और सबको विकास के अवसर उपलब्ध कराने वाले वातावरण का जो बीज है वो 4 जुलाई के साथ जुड़ा है। पर मुक्ति की बात को लेकर जहां आध्यात्मिकता और समन्वय की बात आती है, वहां साई मंदिर भी एक ऐसा स्थान है जहां जाकर भक्त शांति का अनुभव करते हैं। और डॉक्टर नूरी दत्तात्रेय जो विश्व में एक कैंसर के विशेषज्ञ ऑन्कोलॉजिस्ट के रूप में जाने जाते हैं, उनकी नूरी फाउंडेशन द्वारा स्थापित किया गया ये पहला मंदिर जब अपने 20 बरस पूरे कर रहा है, तो क्या कुछ भावनाएं हैं भक्तों की और किस तरह का आयोजन हो रहा है, उसके बारे में हमने बातचीत की डॉक्टर नूरी दत्तात्रेय से। आइए सुने उस बातचीत का ये अंश।
Whatever happened in this mandir is not designed by me or by you, it is designed by him. I can go on telling everything, including from the architecture of this building. When the architect was drawing the outline, and he completed everything in 2 days. He's also a devotee. And after 2 days, he opened the file and looked at this. Everything is symmetrical in this building. The hall, the Baba, how many stones on this side or how many stones on this side, front and back, everything is symmetrical. He could not believe that he did not design the building. But so many things happened here. One particular miracle, or chamatkar, I will narrate it, then we'll close. I was here with Balaji Balanori, my nephew, on a weekend. They are trying to address few things here, or cleaning stuff after a big function. For that special function, what we did, we have a big backdrop behind Baba. Big, huge backdrop. And that is decorated with jasmine flowers, garlands coming from top to the bottom. So they call that as a flower curtain. Flower curtain, beautiful curtain. So that was done on a Thursday, and Friday, Saturday I came, doing something here. And 2 middle-aged ladies came here, searching for Baba Mandir. So they asked me, first time they're coming. They're looking for a job or something, or some placement. One came from Florida, one came from New Jersey. And they are looking like an incredible artist. You can see, they are talented Carnatic singers. So they both went up on the podium. And I asked, looking at them, I asked them one question. You look like a very talented Carnatic singers. Why don't you sing a bhajan in front of Baba? So they started singing, beautiful, starting with Ganesha, then Baba's bhajan. And this is something that you have to witness. After they finish the bhajan, there's no fan here, no air circulation here. All the flowers from the flower curtain were poured on them. Wow. As if someone, with a bucket of flowers, are decorating them, or honoring them. That is the kind of living presence he gives you.
Beautiful. Thank you very much for sharing that. And as this feeling settles down in us, I also recollect the 2 words which shows the path to accept life in the correct and refined manner, which is Shraddha and Saburi. And that Shraddha and Saburi becomes a part of our day-to-day life by being in presence of devotees like Dr. Nuri Dattatreya, as well as, of course, in the presence of Baba. And after 20 years, as the mandir is as fresh as ever, and that everlasting presence is also radiating and showering the blessing and sharing the bliss. And 4th July is the day when this special celebration takes place. And I'm also aware that Consul General of India in New York, Randeep Jaiswalji, would also be here between 11 to 12 that day. Anything else that you may want to add about 4th July celebration?
4th July celebration, we have a full day function. Archanas, Abhishekam, start with Abhishekam. And come and take blessing. The mandir is, as I say in most of the interviews, mandir is everybody's mandir. There is nobody, when you come here, people will say, oh, you sit there, sit here, don't do this. There is no don't in this mandir. Do whatever you would like to do, as long as you have devotion.
और अब आज का विजन ऑफ एशिया वॉइस ऑफ कम्युनिटी कार्यक्रम समाप्त करने से पहले आवश्यक है आपको याद दिलाना कि हमारे फेसबुक पेज पर हमारे मित्र बने और ITV गोल्ड के यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करने के साथ साथ लिखने का क्रम जारी रखें events@itvgold.com पर अपना ख्याल रखें। हमारा साथ देने के लिए आपका बहुत बहुत आभार। अशोक व्यास को अनुमति दें। नमस्कार।